The Law of Yah, written by Craig Wescoe and illustrated by Nicola Lindsay. The rainbow is a reminder of Yah's everlasting promise to every creature. Can you find the hidden Bible verse on each page? Hi, my name is Adam, and this is my madam. God is our Pa, and his name is Yah. He made me a mate, so wonderful and great. Her name is Eve, and Yah alone we believe. All creatures we tame and know each by name. Our job is their feedin' in the Garden of Eden. The green plants that grow from the seeds that we sow, and the fruit that has seed, that is all we need. Yah blessed all the creatures and formed all their features. He blessed you and me, all is good he did see. The birds in the sky with wings made to fly, and fish in the ocean with fins for locomotion. Hyenas with laughs and long-necked giraffes, elephants with trunks and black and white skunks. On land, sea, and air, male and female he did pair, with breath in their lung for songs of praise to be sung. Goats jumping hurdles, the sea full of turtles, ferrets eating carrots, and skies filled with parrots. A fox and an ox and friendly peacocks, camels and mammals, all sorts of animals. Bears eating pears and hares without cares, beavers building dams and white fluffy lambs. The wolf and the lion with nobody dying, no flesh or bloodlust, they all do what is just. No bait traps or cages or auction house stages, no shearing of fleece in Yah's way of peace. No yoke on the cattle, nor horse with a saddle, roaming free as they may. There's no hurt or destroy on Yah's mountain of joy. Whether hoof or paw, they all eat straw. Whether strong or weak, with tail or with beak, whether big or small, Yah loves them all. Howdy, Miss Rowdy Cow, is that your baby? Wow! He drinks milk from his mother, made for him, not another. The fruit of the tree, that is food for me. And the one who goes, "Mrrr," the milk is for you. Oinkity oink oink, from my hand food goes yoink. That's Ellen and Magellan, the watermelon felons. Crunchin' and munchin', they always be lunchin', 'cause squealin' and mealin' is their favorite feelin'. Cluckety-cloo, cock-a-doodle-doo, from an egg I came, Mr. Rooster is my name. I eat rhubarb and greens, avocado and beans, cucumber without number, all day till I slumber. Greetings, Mrs. Mallard, and to your husband Howard, and under your wings to your baby ducklings. Quackity-quack-quack, we're back for a snack. Sunflower seeds or pods full of peas, whichever of these our eye first sees. Ahoy, my boy Roy, a koi full of joy. Would you like any help finding algae and kelp? Thanks in advance for offering your glance. I will dance and I'll prance if by chance you find plants. Hello, Mrs. Sparrow, and your bro, Mr. Crow. What do y'all eat besides millet and wheat? Tweety tweet tweet, berries and seeds do we eat? Caw, caw, and we eat them all raw. Here in the garden, the past is all pardon. We trust only in Yah, and to the devil say, nah. We all hear Yah's voice and follow by choice, reflecting his attitude while filled with gratitude. His spirit poured out on every beak and snout, no fear or shame, all praise his name. No swords or bows, our joy overflows, love is his law. Hallelujah! Did you find the Bible verses hidden on each page? Here's what they all say. The law of Yah is to love all of our neighbors. Share the good news with every creature. Them too.